5 money management tips. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwoch. I talk to people about managing money. I talk to people about investing in the stock market. I talk to people, and my desire is this: to help us all grow, to help us all become good with our finances, to help us all manage our finances, to help us all become rich. I don't want any of us to suffer. I want us to save. If you get money, save. I want us to invest. If you get money, invest. I want us to grow our money. I want us to be rich, all of us to be rich. I don't want us all to suffer. I want us to be better than our parents. Our parents struggled so much. They took us to school and we went to school and they sold everything. Some of them sold cows, some of them sold goats, some of them sold land so that we go to school. And our parents are left with nothing. I want us to grow rich so that we can be able to help our parents and improve their living standards and become better than them. And now, today's topic is this: 5 ways to manage money and become good with money. 5 money management steps. Before you spend money, I want you to do this. Ask yourself, this thing I want to buy, is it necessary? Do I need it? Is it mandatory? Write it down. Before you buy anything, think about it. That is one way of managing money, because you know what? Many of us, even myself included, we find ourselves in impulse buying. You find a nice shirt, you want to buy it. You find a nice shoe, you want to buy it. Find a nice watch, you want to buy it. Find a nice coat, you want to buy it. A nice suit, you want to buy it. A nice socks, you want to buy it. Without even thinking. Now, before you spend, I want you to do this. Write it down. That I want to buy socks. Now ask yourself, these socks I want to buy, is it really important? Do I need it? Can I do without it? The one I have in the house, can it work for me? Can it serve the purpose? Or must I get these particular socks? Before you spend money, that is money you've thrown away. And guess what? Some of us buy things that we don't even need. Then you go put that cloth in the closet. You will not even wear it for a whole year. Some ladies buy shoes and they will not even wear those shoes for a whole year. Some people buy clothes and you not even wear those clothes for a whole year or a whole 2 years. So before you buy, write it down. Do I really need this? Write it down. Think over it. Give yourself time to think over it before you spend. In that way, you will find yourself reducing your expenditure. You will find yourself reducing your wastage of money, especially for those who have a problem with saving and investing. And by reducing your expenditure, then you find that you will have some pool of cash, you will have some pool of money. Then you will be able to save, you will be able to start your business, you will be able to invest in the stock market. Because I want us what? You know what? I want us all to save, I want us all to invest, I want us all to be better, I want us all to grow. And you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even 100 shillings, you can invest in the stock market. 200 shillings, you can invest in the stock market. You know what? One share of Barclays Bank today is 10 shillings. Kumi, apar, ashara. Watu wa Nairobi wanasema ni ashara, ashu. One share of Barclays Bank is 10 shillings. And if you have 100 shares, then it's 1,000 shillings. So you can start saving, you can start reducing your expenditure, you can start saving, reduce your expenditure, and you know what? Before long, you will keep buying more shares and 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 more shares. And shares is like a farmer who is rearing goats or rearing chicken. If you have a chicken or a hen, for example, and this hen is giving you eggs, laying eggs, and is some of those good hens that give you 12 eggs or 15 eggs, and if all these eggs hatch, then you end up with 15 chicks. And if these chicks grow, in a year or two, you'll have 15 hens. And those chicks, they also start laying eggs. And you know what? Before long, you'll have 15 hens laying eggs. In another year or two, if all these chicks are also laying 15 eggs, 15 eggs, 15 eggs, then you'll have 200 hens. And that is the power of compounding. And slowly by slowly, you grow and you grow and you grow and you grow and you become wealthy. So one thing, before you spend, write it down. Secondly, before you spend, ask if there's a discount. There is always a discount. And third, before you spend, ask yourself, is it necessary? Thank you very much. Please subscribe, and also please join our Telegram channel. And if there's a topic you want us to discuss, I welcome you to share it with us. Asante sana.